Okay, we're going to be going over troubleshooting tools in Windows. So the first one we're doing is the main troubleshooter itself. We can access that several ways. So the first one is Action Center. So right there, left click, all settings, go down here, update security, troubleshoot. You can also click in right here and click type in troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot settings. So right here, you want to go to the additional troubleshoot settings. So these are like the main things right here with the internet, updates, printers, and audio. But when you go down here, specific programs. So right here, since this is a new VM, there's not that many things installed right here. So let's click on Microsoft Edge. Okay, and let's just try the recommend settings. It's going to ask you to test the program. So let's test the program. It looks like Microsoft Edge opened up. No, it's a problem fixed. Yes, save these settings. Here, and if there was if this did not fix it, you would say not fix, and you would see a red X right there. So right here, and then now you can just close the troubleshooter. Let's say it wasn't running as easily. You have all these options here. Let's say listed. Let's say it was an upgrade, update like that. Let's say here, test the program. Here. Now it doesn't look like it's working correctly. There, listed. No, next. Which cancel because we knew the original settings were actually correct. Close this out. Okay, now we're going to be managing processes with the task manager. So this, you want to open the task manager, so right click right here on that, the Windows icon, task manager. You don't see anything in this field you will not have right there. It would probably say more details. Click on that. It would look like this. Like this. All right, so we're here. Go to the processes. You can see everything right here that's running. These are the main apps, and this is everything running in the background. So let's go down here and what we do is here, click on Windows Explorer. In older versions, it may be called something else like Explorer.exe, but in Windows 10, it's going to be called this. Right here, let's create a dump file. Wait a moment. Okay, and right there, let's take note of this location. You can even open it. Task Manager. Okay, there's the Explorer, the DMV right there. Now we'll be checking system reliability. So let's check the reliability history. So it's reliability. Right there, you can click on history right here, and you can check out all everything what it means. So it's like there, red is critical events, yellow is a warning, and then the blue circle, the blue dot with the I is just informational events. Right here, and you just click on it right here, and you can see right there, it's Windows update. Start working on 5.12 right there. There's also a warning with that as well after the fact. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be examining Event Viewer. So let's go here, here, and collect Event Viewer. And you let it load up real quick. So, right. This, you can scroll down a little bit, and these are all the different errors. So error, warning, information. You click on this and it'll expand it out. Click on an error. Error. Is it application error? Error. Knows there's more events, more details, and everything. Okay, so let's try this. We go over here and go here under custom logs, and you would see here all the administrative events, warnings. Here, go to security. Here you can see all the event IDs, the sources, date and time. Right, so let's this, and you see regular and specific events. Now that's right here. We're going to save the selected event. This right here, save selected event. And we're going to save to C folder slash here's slash. That's the username for this VM dot evtx. Right here, when you prompt right here, you just want to go click it. Okay. Or let's navigate to. It's already filled out right there. Sounds like user system. Here, here we go. We found the event ID. Okay, now we're going to be using the system configuration utility. So first thing we want to do is right here, either go right here and ms ms config pop up. Click on the boot tab. We're going to be booting into safe mode. So here, safe boot, minimal. You want to click on boot log. Click OK. So, in older versions, you may not have this option, but this is a really good one where we can instead of having to actually go right here and restart it, we can just restart right away. And we're going to want to do that. Restart. Right now, see right here, we are loaded into safe mode. You can see right here, upper left hand corner, safe mode. Okay, so next we're going to see window slash ntbt log. txt. Right there. Notepad opened us up right here. Let's just minimize this for now. Let's do save as here slash users slash saveroot.txt. Save that right here. Back to msconfig. Okay, and we're going to go back to boot. Unclick this. Click OK. Restart like again. Just a moment. Okay, once we're logged back in, we want to go to video. Oh, we'll go to Explorer. Here, see slash Windows slash ntbt log.txt. Then we're gonna slash users slash exam slash say boot.txt. We'll open that. Compare these two logs. All right. All right. Next, we're gonna be analyzing system files. So we're gonna be using FC in Windows to scan the driver corrupt missing or missing system files. So we're going here. We want to do the command prompt cmd. You want to run it as administrator. Here you want to sfc space slash scan now. It'll take a little bit of time for it. Let me pause the video and return when it's completed. Okay, so right back and it's close to completion. It's right here. There, Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. Okay, and now we'll be using the Deployment Image Servicing and Management, the DISM tool. All right, so where we're going to go, this is specifically in Windows 10. So here, do the same thing as last time. Command line, run as administrator. Yes. Here, and in the command line, you want to run DISM space slash online slash clean up image slash check health. And the clean image dimension is unknown, for which means, you can see I spelt it wrong. DISM slash online slash clean up. There you go. No committed store corruption detected. Operation completion is successful. Next, after that, you're going to be doing. Well, never mind. So, all right. The final thing we're going over is using documentation tools. We're going to be using the step recorder. So, the first thing we're going to do is find the step recorder. So, for as a test, we're going to access. We're going to act like we can't access the site. So let's try here. 5.5.5.0. Well, let me backtrack. So first we're going to do is start recording right there, and then now let's access. Try to find access. Can't reach this page. Right here, begin right here. Click add comment. Click. Can't access IP address. Okay. And once we're done with the whole steps recording and we're done with the client, you have them stop recording. Here, and we'll go through all the steps that we just went through. Detailed. Here, I'm going to click save. Here, and we're going to save it as SR, step recorder. S. Save. Close this. Close this. Right here, and then I saved it to the desktop. You can save it anywhere else you want. So right here, double click it. Right here, and we extract it, and we just review the steps. Yeah. There you go. And that's how you access your step recorder.